Hi guys, I just want to record this quick video just as a backup to explain to you how the actual process codes are generated. I mentioned in the last video it's not so important or for you to understand, but it's I think it may be for the reasons of pushing the quotes out into here, so we can have a material and a process code in the order section, or also we can simplify a little bit this price list if you wanted to. Yes, so let me just explain again the process codes. I think it's explained under this definition, but just in case you didn't get this definition, I'll just simplify this. It's actually quite simple to generate a process code. P underscore is obviously the process, M underscore is the material, as you know. So 001 is in this order: printing, embossing and foiling. So 1 means yes, 0 means no. So the code would be P100 because printing is 1, embossing is 0, foil stamping is 0, so these two are not applicable, printing is applicable. Yeah? Now also it's important to note that printing is 1. If you go to the printing option, 1 is full color printing, yeah? So if I would have the number 2 in there, that'll be the full color plus white ink printing, yeah? So again, if I have 200, that would be printing plus white color printing, no embossing and no foil stamping, yeah? So essentially I will give you combinations from 1 to 4 for the printing option, and I will give you each combination for embossing and foiling as well with those printing options. Yeah, so essentially a lot more combinations, but right now these are the prices I have, so I need you to upload this. Okay. Now that takes care of the process codes of the first 3 digits of the process code, I should say, which is this one. Yeah. Now underscore A is the color of the foil. Yeah. Foil color is under here, so A is gloss gold, B is matte gold, C is gloss silver, etc. Yeah, so these are the 11 colors that we have, or 11 colors that we have for the foiling. Yeah, so this is applicable to all stickers. This X is just no foil. The reason we have the X in there is for the process codes we still have the same characters, same number of characters. Yeah, so when foil isn't applicable, we'll just say underscore X. That's the reason of this X color. Yeah, so I'll explain this into this document. X is no color. Yeah. So again, P process underscore 001. It just tells you the printing, the embossing, and the foiling, and then it'll show you the foil color in here. Okay, and this is an example that I made for this line here. So printing is 0, embossing is 0, so meaning it's not available. Foil is 1, foil is available, and then foil color is gloss gold. Same with this one. The process code is P underscore 010 underscore X, means printing is not included in this line. Embossing is yes, foiling is no. And obviously then the underscore X is because the foil color is not available or not applicable. Yeah, that's what this code is. Yeah, so this code once it's submitted in the quote section will come up here as a process code for the custom quote request. Yeah. Now the material code example is very simple. So the only things we're storing for the material code is the paper and then the shape. Okay, so we're not storing the size or the run or anything like that. So the material code is just a very simple number. M is for material. PAC is as per the paper code here. Yeah, and underscore is just the shape and size. So we're only looking at this B column under the shape and size. So if I go underscore 1, that's rectangle. Underscore 2 is square. Underscore 3 is circle. That's generated in this underscore number here as a last digit of the material code. Okay, and that's how you end up with the material code. So when someone submits a quote for art paper standard adhesive rectangle shape, they'll be just in here, M underscore PAC underscore 1. and then I will know that from that code that is that material, and that's the shape of it. Yeah. Now I'll come back to this price list just for 1 second, because we've used alphanumerical characters in here. So if it's easier for you guys, for us to say for the material code, instead of giving you ampac and then square, we can just give you the material code, which is exclude those two. Yeah, so don't show, so we can remove those two columns in the Excel, and go just give you ampac 1, which is the material code. _1 means this, the shape is a square. Yeah, so if it's easier, we can do that. And same thing, instead of giving you 1 0 0 in here, we can just go remove those 3 and just have a process code that's P_100, yeah, _X, which means that the foil color is not applicable. So we can give you just those 2 columns instead of these others. It may be a little bit easier for you, or you may want to generate this yourself. I mean, you know, this is just an idea. I need you guys to tell me if you can't use Excel good enough. We can just do that real quickly for you, but let me know which way you prefer. Either way, the result is the same. Yeah, so just like I explained, we got a material code, and then we got a process code, and then that gives you a price. So unlike the business cards, where material codes are priced separately, and all the process codes we have a separate price, and then we show them and we add them up. Unlike the business card, stickers are combined. Okay, so they're combined in a sense that that we're not separating them for now, and we're just giving you, for right now, all the options include printing in a full color printing attribute. So I hope this makes sense, guys. Let me know if it doesn't, or if you want us to rework this Excel, and then we'll take it from there. Thanks.